What's the meaning of Bovril? Bovril. Bovril.
Bovril. Bovril. Bovril is a thick, salty meat extract paste that is commonly used as a flavoring for soups and stews, or spread on bread as a savory snack. It is made from beef, and is often marketed as a health tonic due to its high protein content. The name Bovril is a combination of the Latin word for ox, bov, and the suffix ril, which was often used in the names of patent medicines at the time it was invented in the late 19th century. Overall, Bovril is a popular seasoning in many countries and can add a rich, meaty flavor to a variety of dishes.